Baltimore City has plenty of gems. I'm in a neighborhood now in Northwest Baltimore that has old homes that are now changing hands. Families are selling them as estate sales, or the original owners have passed on and the homes are coming up for sale. With some renovations, these homes have the bones to be just like new.
To Baltimore, move to Baltimore, move to Baltimore, move to Baltimore.
Do some work on the outside. Security grates in place. Backyard looks good. I'm sure the yard runs down to this edge down here. Go up. Hello. The backyard's in good shape. How you doing? Good, how you doing? Good. We would test the HVAC to see if this is something that needs to be replaced. Looked like it might have been here for a minute. It's a carrier system. They have pretty good lifespans, but we can check that to see if that's something that needs to be replaced. See, the floors aren't in bad shape, they're just old. So because the floors are old, they just need a good sanding and a nice buff put on them. And they're back to new. So these floors in here look pretty good, but all the floors need to be just sanded. You have paint job that need to be done in here. Definitely need new light fixtures. These are old. New switches. Talk about updating the HVAC. You also, so the bathroom is a little old. So this is something we would come in and totally redo the bathroom. Give it something more modern, maybe definitely a new tub, or make it a walk-in shower. You can see this cabinet needs some work. And just with a small amount, a small investment, we can really create a whole new home with the Remodel Now, Pay Later program. We go in here, this is a nice sized bedroom. Again, the bones are here. We definitely will probably put some new doors on there. And probably just update the paint. Definitely some new doors, new hardware here. Same in here. We'll come in, we'll update the plugs. So I'm updating the plugs. Again, updating the light fixtures. These are pretty dated, they're pretty old. See if I can turn the light off. These switches are old, but a little hard to see this light fixture. But you can see it's pretty dated. It's definitely probably original to the house. But for the most part, this is the living room. Now these windows can go either way. These windows are old. This is a nice window, but it is wood. It is wood panel. So One of the things we would do, we could replace that window, make a nice bay window, a bow window, but looks like that would definitely also be something that needs to be replaced. Now the rest of the windows are pretty much more up to date, more modern. They are weather sealed and they will stand up better. Now we come into the kitchen. The kitchen is always one of the biggest investments that you make in your new home. You can see this kitchen is original to the home. The original light fixtures here. We have the hood. Come down here, you see the cabinets are original to the house. Now more than likely, we obviously know this stove is not original to the house, but these cabinets are. So what we would do, we're gonna come in here and we're gonna redo the whole kitchen. We're talking in this case, all new hardware, all new cabinets. We're gonna do a new floor. We can keep this door, but all this needs to be redone, repainted, new electric, definitely put new lighting in place. And we can actually make this house look a little different by opening everything up. So as an option, we can come into the front, as you come in the front door, we could actually take out a lot of this. Maybe this wall would go, which will lead us right to the back bedrooms. But the back bedrooms will still be maintained if this wall comes out. So this would open up this entire floor. It would give us an opportunity to expand the kitchen, maybe pull the kitchen cabinets out a little bit, put an island here. We could put an island here that would help us, instead of this wall, would be an island. So that's an option. Let's take a look at the basement. So if we go into the basement, we would definitely want to update these steps. Not pull them up, not replace them, but just polish them up a little bit. We're not talking about investing a ton of money to rehab the whole house. Now this is old panel wood. It's a little dark down here, so obviously we would definitely come in with new lighting, but it's old panel wood, so this would definitely go. Some pump, we would check it out to make sure that's working okay, but these doors, looks like it's updated electric. This is a square D box, so it looks like the panel, the electric here has been updated. We have Romex cable, but you still see some of the old braided cable. So we would definitely go through, make sure all the electricity is up to code, up to spec, but you want to come in and definitely make sure that the electricity is up to date. So as we go through, all this will come out. We would definitely make sure we get rid of this panel wood. These support beams to hold the support wall, the main wall. You can see we do a new floor down here. We could finish this basement, or just we could finish the basement. We could put sheetrock up and give it a whole new look. We come back here. Fortunately, the water heater is good. So is this furnace. This looks like all new construction here. I'm trying to find the light. One sec. Okay, got the light on. See, this is an oil tank. So the oil tank might be part of what this furnace is, but it looks like this is not. This is forced air. So fortunately, the HVAC system is fairly new. Won't have a lot of problems out of that. That doesn't require a big investment. Plumbing, old plumbing looks good. It's okay. This looks like it's a shower or something. We're gonna find out what that is on the other side. So we definitely wanna make sure we update. Not a lot back here, just maybe some paint. Make it look good. Everything else looks like it's in place. Again, water heater looks new. We have a bathroom down here. No lights, but the bathroom, okay, we have lights. So this is the bathroom in the basement. We would definitely clean this up. Now the floors are already done, it look really good. So it'll probably just be a matter of coming in, replacing the toilet, updating the vanity, definitely getting this vinyl walls taken care of. And this shower is something we can either keep or take away. It's not necessarily mandatory to have a shower in the basement, but that's something we can either keep or take away. It's old. Have a room back here. Wash and dryer. This is an old GE wash and dryer. Vanity looks like it's good. Another sump pump. So again, a lot of this needs to be cleaned up. Looks like it's already insulated. We would definitely make sure that's all taken care of. Let me see, that light switch is there. All these light switches would definitely be redone because they are old, and the lights and everything will need to be taken care of. Let's go outside, take a look. Well guys, there you go. You find a home like this in a nice community, and pretty much you have a home that will last generations. We just have to find it. My job as a realtor is to help you find the diamonds in the rough in communities like this so that you can find your new home, put some work in. You can buy a home like this with some work without investing in a lot of this new construction that's costing $400,000, $500,000, $600,000. So give me a call, 443-281-9800. Shoot me an email, yournewhomesales@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. I look forward to helping you find your new home. Peace.
Move to Baltimore. Move to Baltimore.